So today we're gonna be showing you guys portable grinder safety, or just everything you need to know to do this. And yeah, so pretend this is like the metal you're about to grind. Before you grind it, I'll show you either you can use this vice or a clamp. Yeah, you at least want it to be secured before you start grinding. All right, you can stop.
This is the four ways you can reduce the risk of getting caught with moving tools. First, you should put your hair up, have no loose clothing, have closed-toed shoes, and no jewelry. Recording.
Reasons this is why you shouldn't use damaged blades or cutting tools is because there's a risk, there's a safety risk behind it, and it might not even do what you're trying to make it do. So, go.
Now I'm going to show you how to change a grinder into a wire brush. Right, step 1, unplug the tool. Next you want to push this button right here. And start to unspin. Step 4. After step 5, that's everything. Now you know how to change a grinder into a wire brush. Oh.
For number 5, always monitor the direction of the sparks from a grinder because they could injure other people in the shop or start a fire. Okay.
And good, go.
For number 6, be sure not to grind or wire brush in places that can pinch the grinder, or it can jerk out of your hand and injure you.
Go.
And finally, for number 7, any electronic power tool should be unplugged prior to working on moving parts. Unplug.